This is the azure blue tornado. As you can see, the surface has a ceramic lacquer finish with a matte texture. Scratches will leave marks, but a gentle wipe will restore them completely. The colors on the tabletop are azure blue, sky blue, and pine green. These may have been scratched during transport, a light wipe will remove them. This is moonlight silver, and this is ink black. This iridescent color has been burned. You can see a slight change in the color of the flame ring. However, after burning, the stove body will not change at all. This is the included pot rack. After the tornado burns out, the furnace chamber will show a slight discoloration, which is normal because the burning particles release a small amount of corrosive gases.